You know that saying, withholding forgiveness is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die? Something like that. That's exactly what happens when you withhold forgiveness. It's making you sick. It's accelerating aging. It's suppressing your immune system. It's keeping you sick, sad, and stuck. So with that, the PBT Institute is honored to have founded National Forgiveness Day, which is tomorrow. It is so exciting, I can't even stand it. Can I ask two things of you? Number one, join us for the 21-day forgiveness journey. It is a free experience where together we are moving towards forgiveness. You could just find that at nationalforgivenessday.com. Either join us or please share it with someone who'd benefit. And the second thing is, we just found out that this holiday, this official day, was approved a couple of weeks ago. But it will be September 1st every single year. And I want to know from you, I would love to hear, how do you want to celebrate it? Should we have a marching band? Should we have an official handshake? Should it be there's an official food? Should we have merch? Anything goes. I'm taking, after this 21-day forgiveness journey is done, I will take a year to plan out the next official National Forgiveness Day. And I want to make it as big and as amazing as we together can come up with. So as turkey is to Thanksgiving, let's come up with something that is to National Forgiveness Day. So I would love your suggestions. Please drop them in the comments. And like I said, join us for our free 21-day forgiveness journey, nationalforgivenessday.com. And if it resonates, that would be great. Or share it with anybody who'd benefit. Remember, you withholding forgiveness is preventing you from creating the life, the health, the work, the relationships, the everything that you want most. So it's not even about the other person. It's about you. Let's help you get there. That's the whole idea behind this. But please share it, join us, and then let me know your suggestions. I want to make this as big as possible. Thanks so much.